Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I would like to present about traffic and congestion. So our subject is Highway Technology and Traffic Management, BNP 20303. So our beloved lecturer's name first is T.S. Nur Faizal binti Yahya and Puan Nur Khazanah Abdul Rahman. So this is organization chart. First is board of director is myself, Muhammad Syaful Amirul bin Muhammad Syafulizan. Second one is manager, Noriliana binti Bazlan. Technical Service Manager, Muhammad Firdaus Azrai bin Idris. Business Development Manager, Esther Kumar Michael. And last one is Project Coordinator, Audra Alicia binti Imran. So for introduction, first one is objective. We have two objectives here. First is to reduce congestion issues and provide comfort to all road users to be the most successful and the most productive service company in Malaysia. Our scope is chosen market will be largely determined by our ability to be the most competitive and to give our customer excellent service consistently. General information, congestion of peak hour traffic is an inherent product of the way industrial communities work. Last one, it stems from people's possessive urge to follow those objectives that ultimately congest current roads and transit network on a daily basis. Side plan. This road has several junctions that lead to congestion such as Sunway, Bangsa, Kerinci, Tun Razak, TBS and Sungai Besi.
So I would like to continue this presentation with next slide. Causes of conjunction. So this is the problem statement. First is accident, fortunately, and when that happens along any highway. Next is a flood, would cause jam too. Number three is onlooker busy bodies. There are those who slow down the opposite direction when there is an accident on the other side of the road. And last, poor road condition, which is this is so bad that most vehicles include lorry are forced to slow down, causes traffic to build up along the road, especially during a peak hour. There are 5 method solution of traffic congestion. First is automated control system. Consider 3 elements which are camera placing calculation, vehicle detection algorithm, and vehicle counting. Next, smart traffic light. Smart traffic light is a signal traffic light system to control traffic management and to allow a movement of vehicle. Next. Next is RFID. The RFID is consider the density of traffic on the road by installing RF reader. Next is the drainage system management, which is drainage system to remove water from the road and its surrounding. Last but not least is a flood warning system as instrument and sensor used at each will vary based on the nature of your application and the size of intended coverage area.
Assalamualaikum. Now I'm continuing to the construction installation work for the implementation of Internet of Things at site. First, to enhance traffic density prediction, the traffic monitoring system often uses crowdsourcing with location-based service. Secondly, video monitoring is often used to estimate traffic congestion, density, and to update traffic signal in real time. Next, for standard specification, next slide. Okay. Based on the JKR standard specification for road work, the control equipment and components shall be housed in a weatherproof cabinet as specified in subsection 8.6.2, and the controller shall be able to provide 4 phases and shall be capable of expansion to at least 8 phases by the addition of modulus on site. And next slide. For pros and cons of automatic traffic system. For pros, first, signal provide the maximum degree of control. Secondly, assign the right way of of ways to operating traffic flows at the intersection, and this is achieved by allowing the same intersection to be shared by conflicting traffic streams via time separation. Next, for cons, first, signals can cause other types of accidents to increase. Then, unjustified traffic signal may also cause insufficient alternative routes to cause unnecessary delays, signal disobedience, and traffic diversion to arise in the number of collisions.
Okay, my name is Mohammed Firdaus Azra, and I'm gonna present about the proposed solution. As we told before, there is 5 methods. So the first method is an ultimate control system, which monitors, control, and maintains the traffic signal in a very completely automated manner. In term an automatic control system, the system performs continuous monitoring of vehicle flow within the roads with the assistance of pre-installed cameras. For the proposed method, the detection of the vehicle is the key stage. The first detection is a camera placing calculation. It is very critical for better vehicle detection and accuracy in order to identify a car or some other vehicle. Perfect camera height and the angle may provide the high precision of car detection by ensuring the greatest coverage of the area. The higher the coverage of the camera, the better this machine can make the decisions. Next slide is gonna be the key number 2 is a vehicle detection algorithm which detect by some car model in the XML format. So it can generate the hard cascade which using the cascade classifier. Then with the aid of BGS library, it can be subtracted the background and the shadow by background subtraction. So the next key is the vehicle counting. So it evaluate the video and the vehicle number count in this section of the project. The vehicle counting is very critical. Because depending on the right proper car counting, the performance of the overall systems. So the intelligent system will not able to make the right decision for traffic light control management without proper vehicle counting. So for the next method is method number 2 is the smart traffic light. In this part of the project, traffic light will be controlled instead the automatic timer-based traffic light system by a smart intelligent system. Here is the segment. The intelligent system will be analyzed after vehicle detection and counting result. After analyzing the data, the intelligent system will make the decision to send commands to the traffic light post and monitor the traffic light accordingly. So for the next slide, it's gonna be the RFID. Okay, the RFID will be designed to detect and identify any vehicle that explicitly violates the law of traffic signals. RFID tags are smart barcodes containing some information that can be read using the RFID scanner antenna. So a transceiver with a decoder to interpret the data, the RFID tag chips or integrated circuit which can be programmed with information acts as a transponder and the computer will show the information. So the next slides will be presented by
Action.
I'm Esther and I'm going to continue with method solution, which is the drainage system management. Road congestion also can causing by flood. There are many invention technologies to settle this problem. However, there is invention in China called Sponge City. This technology settle down flood problem where if there are rain, the water will go into the ground and can be used by the public. This system was used natural water at the same time it avoid floods in the city. Okay, next slide. Which is the flood warning system. Road flood warning system is a device that installed beside the road to give alarm or warning about the flood. When the device detects certain flood is flooded, a signal transmitted to nearest junction controller. The junction controller will then pass this flood alarm or information to control center or SMS or the relevant parties. With network of road flood warning system, the city council or local authority is able to make immediate decision by demanding the junction control to warn road user ahead of the flood and divert traffic flows by mean traffic light signal, variable message signal, VMS, radio, broadcast, or others. That's all from me. Thank you.
So for conclusion, we have five. First one is practicality. So in terms of practicality, machine vision can identify vehicles in video footage and count vehicle numbers. By using this technology in smart intersection, traffic engineer will measure what's going on 24/7. Insight from this data can allow cities to make change and monitor performance. So in terms of safety, intelligent radar and video detection sensor can count, calculate direction and speed of movement, and even decide whether an object is a vehicle or a bike or a pedestrian. In terms of efficiency, computer data are more accurate than people. Computer can work 24/7. Maintenance costs are not too expensive. So in terms of cost, road user can reduce their fuel routine than usual. And last one is benefit. Road user will arrive at destination more early than usual. Can use road with comfort and safe. That's all. Thank you very much.